Hey, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I'm here to guide you on your creative journey. I love drawing and I know that you like it too, and that's why I want to get you going and keep you going in your creative habit. And that creative habit is something that I want to talk about today. The daily practice or the weekly practice is really important to develop your skills, but also to create your own story in your sketchbook. Today I am going to draw a scene that I have been drawing for ages and for so many times. I have a whole collection of just this corner of the living room, which isn't that important at all, but it becomes important as soon as you start drawing it. Okay, I'll take my sketchbook on my lap. I like doing that early in the morning with my morning coffee, and it will be my drawing meditation. Maybe you can do the same today at some point. Get your sketchbook, sit down and just be in the moment and draw something that is just right in front of you. Because drawing makes me feel good and creative, and because it gets me out of my head, I like giving myself some drawing time first thing in the morning, along with a fresh cup of coffee, perhaps while I'm still in my pajamas. This is a very good start to the day for me. It's my kind of morning meditation, or maybe it's sketchbook yoga. During the pandemic, and especially during the lockdowns, everybody had to stay put at home. And for my drawing practice, that didn't really matter. Of course, I like going outside or sitting in a cafe and draw there, but I am just as happy drawing inside of my home. And one morning I saw the sunlight falling so beautifully on the wall in the living room that I sat down in front of it to draw that corner of the room. It was such a wonderful moment and process in that spot that the next morning I sat down again on the same footstool and I drew the same corner again. This time I was using a completely different drawing tool. And I kept repeating that every morning for quite a few days in a row. Without thinking about it, I created a whole collection of different versions of the same subject. And this collection is actually really a representation of that strange time we were in then. Drawing the same thing over and over may sound boring, but it really is not. It can actually be a lot of fun. Each time it's just a little bit different. The light falls differently, a color or a shape is suddenly catching your eye, because you feel a little different each time yourself. And the view and the scene, you see it all through different eyes. And then if you also choose a different technique or a different material each time, then drawing the same familiar subject over and over again can be a very interesting adventure. And one thing is for sure, even if your subject is the same, the result never is. And I love that about my sketchbook. It's a place for exploration and discovery and self-reflection and meditation in a totally safe but a very exciting way. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. And if you do get something out of my Draw Tip Tuesday videos, that's awesome. That's really my goal. If you like to help me keep on making these Draw Tip Tuesday videos, then you can now back me on Patreon. That way you help me to do this weekly and keep it consistent. So check out the link that I have added below this video, and thank you for considering being one of my patrons. I really appreciate it. And of course, if you can't or you don't want to, then at least subscribe to this channel, because then you won't miss out on any of my Draw Tip Tuesdays. I'll see you soon. Bye.